Hey, this is Alex again from AirChatty CRM, and today I want to talk to you about automations. Let's jump straight into it, and I'm going to show you my AirChatty CRM right here. And from here, from the dashboard on the left side, you have automations. Just click there, and then I've prepared a folder called emails because this is an automation that I want to make regarding an email. So you can create folders right here, name it as you want, and then just click on the folder, and inside just click create workflow. Workflows can be built from scratch, or you can import from a campaign if you already have different workflows created in a different campaign, or you can use the recipes that are already available in AirChatty CRM for you to use. These one are like pre-built, but I'm gonna go with the a start from scratch one. At the very top, I can name it and say leads to sheets and welcome email. Okay, so what I want to do is when a contact is created, I want to add it on a Google Sheet and I want to send a welcome email. So in order to achieve that, we need to go to add new workflow trigger. So the trigger will be contact changed. Okay, save trigger, and then click on plus, add your first action. I'm gonna go with Google Sheets. This is a lead connector premium action, so it's gonna cost us something pennies for each workflow trigger if you want. And send data to Google Sheets. Yes, create spreadsheet row, select which account. It already knows my Google account because I linked my Gmail into integrations, and I'm gonna select my drive, and I have a spreadsheet there which is called leads DB from database. I'm gonna select sheet 1 in that particular sheet, and then I need to select the columns, the column that starts and the column that ends. Okay, and now I need to map what should be transferred by AirChatty CRM to Google Drive in each of these columns. So in the first name one, I want contact first name. Last name one, I want contact last name. Email, I want contact email. Okay, so contact first name, contact dot last name, contact dot email. Okay, I'm gonna save this now. That's step number 1, which is done. This is not the finish. Now I want to, let's say, add a wait time. So let's say I want to wait 2 minutes just for the purpose of demonstrating this. Yeah, you can do time delay, time based, you can do time delay, you can do events / appointment time, you can do over to, you can do all sorts of conditions. Okay, I'm gonna add that 2 minutes delay. Okay, and then I'm gonna click again and say send email, and action name email from will be Alex Jacks from email, and that's gonna be users email. Actually, you can do users email like this, or you can just type it in. I want to type it in now. Okay, subject, welcome to the tribe. Okay, you can use templates, email templates, if you already have some there. Otherwise, you can just manually subject, sorry, welcome to the tribe, welcome to bot wizards tribe, and then I can go with pressing this. Sorry, where is it? Yeah, custom values, and I'm gonna go contact first name. Yeah, it's gonna automatically add their first name, Glad you're here. Keep an eye on the next mail, please. Alex, okay. I'm gonna save this, and that email is now done. Right. So we can test this workflow, or we can just go see the version history. If you modify something, you're gonna have versions there. In settings, you also have when do you want this workflow to run, maybe anytime or just specific times. Say you want workflows to run only at the weekend and so on. And you have some other settings here that you can customize. All right, but for now I'm gonna go and publish it. So click publish and then click save. Right, so let's go back here, back to workflows, and now you can see that one is published. Okay, so technically what's gonna happen now, I'm gonna create a contact manually, but you can create contacts through marketing forms. Like if you go to marketing and you go to to websites and you go forms, you can build a form and you can embed that form into your website, and whatever is captured through that form, the automation is gonna work. Because remember I said whenever a new contact is created, add it to Google Sheet and send an email back. Okay, so I'm gonna do this right now. Now I'm gonna create the contact. So contact name will be Alex Savu. I'm gonna use this email address. I'm gonna, yeah, Savu is a lead, that's fine. I don't need anything else here. All I need to do now is just click save. Okay, so now the workflow will trigger and we can check and see this by logging in into that Outlook email address. So outlook.com, go here, sign in. Okay, I need a password for this, don't I? Yes, of course I do. I can also go and see if the workflow triggered, and I'll show you in a second how to do this. Let me just get this password off my password manager. Outlook, that's the password. Live. Okay, signing in now. No, it's fine. No, you can save this. Yeah. I think it's waiting 2 minutes, remember, right? So let's see if it added it into my Google Sheet. Nothing in my Google Sheet yet. So let's go again to automations and let's check it, see what happened. Total enrolled, nobody yet. Okay, was that email address already in the database? No, it wasn't. Okay, go back, go here, contact changed. Oh, that's why. Sorry, instead of contact created, I put contact changed here. So let's go back and yeah, all right, let's modify that contact. Okay, contact is changed. Let's go and modify a contact. My mistake. But yeah, you get the picture. Okay, so we go to contacts and then let's change let's just change the surname a little bit. Okay, and I'm gonna click save, and now Let's see what's happening. Will the automation trigger now? Put automations. History. There you go. Here is where you check history. Contact changed. Yeah, the contact is changed. Contact changed. Runs when a contact data is updated. Contact data was updated. Contact. Let's put a phone number. And just make it customer. Yeah. You working? I know it's working. I don't know why. Save. Right. Updated contact. It changed more than just a letter in the surname. Okay. If this doesn't work, then don't worry. We're gonna clone and create contact created. Yeah. Automation. Yeah. Let's go duplicate workflow. We leave it as like this. Copy, it's fine. I'm gonna go to contacts and completely delete this contact. And go back to automations, emails, copy one. I'm gonna go when contact is created. Contact is created. Save. Now I'm gonna publish this and save it. And then go back to calendar, sorry, contacts. And I'm gonna add it one more time. So Alex, Abu. This is the email address and save. Right. Now, there you go. Straight away, Alex Abu. Yeah. Now waiting 2 minutes. It's 14:34 here. Waiting 2 minutes and I should see an email coming right here. Okay. Can't remember which email provider did I leave to send. Oh, okay. So sending with lead connector. Automation triggered. Come on, 2 minutes. One more minute. and we should have it. Remember, we put a delay. So in here, see, it's saying that in this stage, we have one particular contact in that stage, in the wait stage. So here we set the 2 minutes wait time. All right. Now you're refreshing this. Sorry. You're refreshing this. There you go. So the email should be here now. Yes, we have the email. Alex, welcome to the tribe. Okay. The email that we've done. You also have an unsubscribe button and everything added automatically by AirChatty CRM. So that's it, guys. Now obviously with automations, you can go as crazy as you want. You can make, you can do if else, and you can do branches. Yeah, you can do whatever you want, honestly. You can do conditions like you know, math operations. You can do go to, if this is happening, go to the other workflow. Okay, there you go to right here. So there's unlimited things you can think of. You can even run a chatbot through all these you know, automations, but it's gonna be really complicated to sometimes to do chatbots in here, so I won't advise that. If you like this video, please like the video and drop a comment with your questions as well. Hopefully that would satisfy your need for the basic needs for creating a workflow. Obviously we're gonna come back and later on we're going to build a lot more workflows when we work with websites and with other stuff. But for now, I think it's showing the basics, how to use it, and it shows that it works. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.